Hello there. You're watching the Microsoft Agent Network.
Attention everyone in the Microsoft Agent realm. This is Charles Data, or Sizzler to make it easier to remember. I'm here to give you an announcement and call out a blue box rep, along with a talking shark and a green-headed gunner, for watching shows with the same shitty art style originating in Japan. They also shred up Japanese snacks like pocky sticks and all kinds of that shit. I also need to report that a square by the name of Chandler Norbert had been killed off at the end of the saga. I also need to report that a caveman named Trot went missing. I also need to report to dumbasses arguing over who gets the last N-word pass. I say it's time to hunt down and press charges in the one responsible for this full-on chaos. Sissies and gentlemen agents, welcome to the Sizzler Saga.
Man, that was one of the strangest things that I have ever zoned out to. I think I'm gonna watch some TV.
Mr. Fuck You reporting live from 24/7 News. In today's news report, a guy behind a satellite called out someone who apparently has a blue bob. He claimed to have detected suspicions on the blue-bobbed person for the disappearance of a caveman named Trog and witnessing the death of Chandler Norbert without telling anyone. In today's second news report, a hacker hacked into a radio. The hacker announced that he plans world domination to the Agent realm.
Interesting. Wait a minute. Blue Bob? Behind satellite? Sounds a hell lot like Sizzler falsely accusing me of murdering Norbert. He thinks he can just get away with that type of shit? Well, he is wrong. Dead wrong. No way in hell am I gonna let him get away with this bear shit. He must suck a dick to get me in trouble for falsehood.
FBI. Open up.
Oh fuck.
Terence Hedges, you are under arrest. Get in the car.
Officer, you don't understand. This is all a scapegoat.
Tell it to the judge, chicken.
Damn it.
Hey, sorry to bump into you, but have you seen a boy in a blue bob?
You mean that asshole Terence? As a matter of fact, he just got arrested, as I saw Officer Sands push him into the cop car. I would love to see the cop car crash once he gets there to put Terence in a cell.
What? Terence got arrested? Alright. Thanks for the help.
Oh, and once you get there, tell Terence to crash his car.
No way in hell am I gonna say that to him, you jackass.
Jackass. You are the jackass here.
Shut up.
Oh shit, my balls.
Well, time to meet someone up in jail.
But I swear I'm not a murderer.
Have no fear. I've come to bail you out.
Matchstick. I did not expect you to show up.
Okay, but I need to tell you something extremely important.
Something important. Tell me now.
There is a big war coming. Someone hacked into the radio and announced a world domination threat.
Wait. I think I've seen that on the news right after the Norbert death one.
Okay, so you know. Let's get up now and fight for our freedom in the Agent realm.
Okay, but real quick. How much did it cost you to bail me out?
700 bitcoins.
Damn. Must have been a lot. We needed them for a trip to the beach.
Me and my two friends mostly spend them on cokes and snacks.
Okay, enough talk. Time to get serious.
In today's news report, the blue bob boy known as Terence Hedges had been bailed out, and the satellite guy known as Charles Sizzler had been arrested for hypocrisy. The hypocrisy is that he threatened to hack the gaming account that belongs to someone under the name the Jiggity Pringles, and he also threatened to press charges on him along with Terence and someone named David Lime.
What? Me, David, and Jiggity threatened? Oh well. At least Tag's in jail now. Okay, so there are two cases, it seems.
Terence, get the fuck out of the street.
You're on a red light, dumbus.
Dumbus. You are the dumbus here.
You are, because you're on a red light. Now let me cross.
Fine. Asshole. Oh my fucking god. Terence is fucking stupid.
So I'm not sure what it is with this big war that's about to happen. Is it gonna be bigger than it was in the last saga? Hold up. Is my phone ringing? I best pick it up now.
Hello, is this Terence Hedges?
Yes. Hi Monica. What's up?
Where are you at right now?
I'm on Planet Tangent. Do you need something?
I was going to send Yuri to give you some information, because I heard that there's going to be a really big war. Until Yuri shows up, stay safe, okay?
Okay.
Terence!
Oh. Jiggity. Does he need me for something?